Hi everyone, welcome to 747 Fishing. Today we are unboxing the Christmas box of Better Fishing. It's the limited edition, so let's see what we have in this box. So the whole box looks really nice. Straight away some soft baits on top. So we got the Vestine bullets, it's 12.5 centimeter, blue special color, looks really good, possibly pike and everything in salt water. Then we have some nice, they're pretty solid, good looking, could be very good for musky, pike, and again for some different saltwater species. Then Shadowlicious looks also extremely good. I've fished those quite a bit, so they're very robust and extremely good looking underwater. Here we got from Lure Fans some crayfish imitation bait. Very good for all sorts of bass, perch, possibly barramundi in Australia. And we got the live targets. They are looking extremely good, possibly for fishing for trout or some light tackle saltwater fishing. Here we got a nice Berkeley deep runner hard bait. Berkeley has some really good quality hooks usually on those lures, but this one goes really deep. Perch, trout, walleye. We got here from Savage Gear a skirt flint jig. Yeah, haven't fished those ones, but looking pretty interesting and good. So we got a jointed Peson and Michel, it's a French brand, the Gunky Scanner. Big lure, quite heavy, solid hooks on it. Pike fishing, catfish, Wells catfish, barramundi, definitely goes for that. A nice spinnerbait from Berkeley as well. Again, normally Berkeley, really good quality hooks on those lures. We've got another looking blade jig, like a Japanese brand. Oh, it looks pretty nice. Yeah, and here we got a A-Tech Crazy Minnow, 30 gram, 13 centimeter. Looks really good for walleye, zander, yeah, possibly salt. Then here we have a Z-Man Gobius, 7.5 centimeter. Very good lure for trout, perch. Definitely trout loves those ones. Then we got a nice Rapala hard bait. That's a minnow, 7 centimeter. Also trout fishing, perch fishing, and some smaller species in saltwater will bite readily on that one. Here we got from Penta Shad some really good looking shads. Haven't tried those ones, but the color looks very nice. All type of predator fishing will go for that. Then we got a Vestine small casting lure, extremely good, could be very good for trout, sea trout, perch, saltwater fishing as well. Here another small lure. Yeah, they're all looking pretty good. So far it has been a good unboxing, heaps of good looking stuff. A duo jerk bait, and here's the whole list of those lures that we had in the box. Hope everyone enjoyed that video. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and catch you guys on the next video.